Hey BBs,
Hey.
we are back again, and this time we have another Tokyo treat box. Let's see what's up, y'all.
Let's see. Let's open it up and see what we have.
What we got?
So, babe, I am going to let you look at the book.
Okay. So funny enough, the first Tokyo treat box we did, this is from the same month. So there's different stuff. It's just the same thing, which is the Sakura spring thing. So we have a strawberry king cider.
Let's see if I can find that. I think I found it.
Oh, cute
Look
little
at the
bottle.
little bottle. That's adorable. Oh. Alright.
Next we have the premium Ghana truffle.
Alright, that's here.
As well as the Ghana chocolate cake bites.
Ghana chocolate cake bites.
Next we have the mini Coptico. We also have sour paper candy cola. Down in there. What we have next? Let's see. Next we have the Pita spicy ramen. We have the Cuppy Ramen.
Cuppy Ramen. I'm not seeing that one.
I don't think we got that in our. So under that we have the Texas corn Okonomiyaki. So we have the full moon palm cracker.
Got a little bunny on it.
We have the cola lollipop dipper.
Here we go.
The Sakura Sunday.
Alright, there's that.
Next we have the Sakura Manju. We have Kickheads Peach.
I'm excited to try
Me
these.
too. We have the Sakura Matcha Cookie Bites. And the Sakura Cherry Candy.
And we have one other item that we're looking for in the book. Oh, there it is.
Okay,
The
that's
Cuppy.
the Cuppy Ramen.
There we go.
That's what
we
that
found
is.
it. And it looks like they gave us two of these.
The
The
Copticos?
Copticos. We got two of those.
That's cool.
Alright, so let's try them out.
So the first thing we're gonna try that we saw is the Sakura Sunday.
And what are these described as?
They are described as transport your taste buds straight into a Hanami picnic with bite-sized pink rice crackers.
They kind of have like a fish smell.
It says they are shrimp.
Oh, I do smell shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
That tastes sweet.
They do.
A sweet shrimp flavor.
It
That's
says they
very
have a
interesting.
floral twist
Gotcha.
made with real cherry blossom leaves.
That's interesting. Shrimp and cherry blossom.
Next up is the Sakura Manju. This is described as a Sakura season staple. This adorable sweet is the perfect cherry blossom treat. The soft round pastry is made with rice flour and filled with pink cherry blossom flavored sweet bean paste.
I like how it smells. Smell.
Mm. It's soft like a fig Newton. If you've ever had those.
I like the filling on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
That's yummy.
Right, next up, we got the peach Kickheads. Japanese Kickheads are so cool to me. They always have a really bunch of fun flavors. So let's try it.
And there's not really much artwork on the back of this one. It's just got like a little like hand. Last time there was like a couple.
It was like the couple. We had the two different ones. Like yours was older, I think so, and mine was younger. It was really cute.
Let's see what these smell like. These are on pretty well. These are, nothing can get into these, I'll tell you that.
Break in.
I gotta break into these. Oh.
Ooh, that smells super peachy. And I love peach. It's one of our favorite flavors.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. That is legit.
That's delicious.
Mm. Next on our list, we have these cream cologne Sakura Matcha cookie bites. Bite into a popular spring flavor combo made in heaven, Sakura and Matcha.
They come in a cute little bag. I love the color.
So matcha is kind of like a bitterish kind of flavor, and the Sakura is sweet, so this is going to be a nice little contrast, I think. Ooh, I like the way that smells.
I do too. It's got like a... I do get like a hint of matcha, but I also smell vanilla.
Yeah. Ooh, they're super soft.
Everything that we expect to be hard is actually soft.
Right. There's a little bit of crunchiness definitely, but it's definitely like soft. The filling on the inside is really nice.
It's like dessert combos.
Mm-hmm. Next up, we have the Sakura Cherry Candy. Can't celebrate cherry blossoms without some cherries. These hard candies are flavored with the juice of Yamagata Prefecture's famously sweet Sato Nishiki cherries.
Yum.
Ooh.
They look like... I'm going to show you guys here. They look like cough drops.
Yeah, they do. Very subtle flavor. Cherry flavor.
Those are good.
Mm-hmm. It's not like a cherry candy that we would have. Like our cherry candy is normally like cherry, like really hard hitting kind of cherry. But this is a really subtle, nice. Which is the thing for like Sakura. It's normally like a very subtle flavor.
Yes. So
next we have the Strawberry King Cider. Grab a bottle opener and pop open this refreshing Sakura flavored strawberry soda. Made with the Amao strawberries, aka the king of Japanese strawberries. They're famous for their delectable sweetness.
And we love this bottle. It's so cute.
Let me pop it open. Try.
That kind of stinks.
Yeah, I don't know. That smells weird.
It almost tastes like... It tastes like strawberries that are going bad.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah, it tastes like rotting strawberries.
Something about that didn't go right. I don't care for that.
Yeah.
Now we have these premium Ghana truffles. Like sakura petals in the gentle breeze, you'll be swept away by these luxurious chocolate truffles. They have 3 layers: a creamy milk chocolate ganache center, a coating of velvety dark chocolate, and a dusting of cocoa powder. I know you're not the biggest dark chocolate fan, but I do like dark chocolate. So
and I immediately smell the dark chocolate.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, thick. You can't eat a lot of these at the same time. This is just like 1, maybe 2. These are thick, dude.
I don't like them.
Right. Carrying on with the Ghana chocolates, we have the Ghana chocolate cake bites. These little guys are perfect for sharing with your friends at the picnic. Soft and scrumptious, these cute bite-sized pillows are packed with chocolatey flavor.
These smell a lot better. Are they easy to bite?
Mm-hmm. It's just super soft. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that way better.
Much better.
Mm-hmm. Switching away from chocolate, we now have these mini Coptico Shaped like mini ice cream cones, these have 2 layers of sweet cream filling inside with a savory, crispy wafer. We picked out a picnic surprise just for you. Did you get strawberry flavor, sakura flavor, or both? So yeah, they gave us 2 of these, so we'll see what happens.
Here you go, dear. Mine smells like it could be sakura.
I think mine does too. They look the same.
They do. Looks like chocolate.
Mm-hmm. This part tastes like popcorn almost.
It does. Like a buttery.
Mm-hmm.
It's good though.
Yeah, definitely not in a bad way.
Yeah. Tastes like it could be a sakura. It's like a buttery cone.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Next, we have the sour paper candy cola. These chewy candies may be paper thin, but they're blooming with cola flavor. Just like cherry blossom season, this treat is filled with sweet and sour nostalgia.
Smells like sour cola. Another buffalo piece for you. Ugh.
So it looks like a little sour sour punch strips, like Airhead Extremes. That's what I'm thinking about. Smells like kind of cinnamony. It tastes like a cola, like a Coke.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a little bit sour, so.
Like a sour Coke.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad.
So this is the Pita spicy ramen. This vegetarian ramen is bringing the heat to the Hanami picnic party. With the delicate balance of spice and flavor, Pita ramen packs a fiery punch. Just like cherry blossom, this ramen is sure to leave a lasting impression. So we're actually going to come back to this because we just ate dinner and we had a lot. And Star had ramen. So we're going to come back to this and still do this at a later time. Next up, we have the Cuppy Ramen. Just like the tradition of Hanami picnics, these soft ramen candies have a long history. They come in a sweet and sour, mouth-watering assortment of orange, strawberry, and lemon flavors.
Alright, so I see the orange.
They kind of remind me of like Smarties.
Yes.
Do they feel like that?
Not really. Just the lemon. So, let's try the lemon first.
They're that same chalky kind of consistency of like a Smartie, or like a sweet tart.
Very chalky. And let's do the orange next.
It reminds me of like Flintstones vitamins.
Yes. Strawberry.
Yeah. That's like I said, like Smarties that you get with like Halloween or whatever.
The strawberry one tastes like strawberry Mentos.
Yeah. Alright, next up we have the Texas Corn Okonomiyaki. These crunchy corn snacks are flavored after a picnic party favorite, Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is a Japanese pancake filled with cabbage, meat, and any other topping you like. It is covered with a savory sauce.
I don't like how it smells, but I like how it tastes.
Yeah, it smells weird.
I like the flavor.
Mm-hmm. I like how Japanese corn snacks are always really airy and soft and light.
And savory.
Mm-hmm. Next up is the Full Moon Pone Cracker. Classy picnics for all classic snacks. These traditional soy sauce flavored rice cracker is crisp, savory, and great for sharing. It looks like a giant crouton.
It does. And there are 2 complexions. Or 2 colors. I'll give you this one.
Not bad.
I do get a hint of soy sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty tasty and a little hard to bite into for me. But it's pretty good.
Up on the list is Cola Lollipop Dipper. It's time to have some fun with your food. Open the candy bag carefully. Take a lick of the cola flavored lollipop, then dip it into the candy powder for a bubbly burst of flavor. This is like those were like baby bottle pops and stuff back in the day,
Yes.
or like Fun Dip.
Yes, Fun Dip. I'm gonna go ahead and let you do that.
Yeah, this is like Coke and kind of like almost like a bubblegummy kind of flavor. The powder is like bubblegum flavor. Let me try one more time. This is like a cola bubblegum kind of combination.
And it smells exactly like that. Cola.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope
Thanks,
you enjoyed the Tokyo Treat Box. Let us know in the comments if you've tried a Tokyo Treat Box or if you plan on buying one. So please give us a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We love you, BBs.
Love BBs.
Bye.